We're always conscious that the health of our firm is almost completely connected to what our clients are experiencing. And so, as a result, we're always really attuned to both their business activities and the wider economic picture. We've been really encouraged by some exciting growth prospects across a number of our sectors in 2023. Our contentious and advisory practices have been very busy this year. Even our transactional practice groups, who were impacted a little bit by rising interest rates and inflation at the start of the year, have seen an increase in activity as we move into Q4. Our regulatory practices have been helping clients prepare for enhanced regulation across a number of industries, for example, financial services and technology. The enhanced individual accountability regime introduced by the central bank this year for senior financial services executives is in full swing, and we're helping our clients prepare for upcoming compliance deadlines in respect of those regulations. Similarly, in respect of our technology clients, the upcoming Digital Services Act will introduce new requirements for content regulation that we're helping our clients prepare for. As we move into 2024, it looks like central banks are going to hold interest rates at their current levels. That will be a signal to the market that it is safe to assess risk and pricing again, which will trigger quite a bit of transactional activity in the first part of next year, in our view. We also think that artificial intelligence will be another area in 2024 that our clients will need advice and support on. European regulation in respect of the use of AI is likely to be introduced next year, which will mean that any clients either using AI in their own business or offering it as a product for customers will need legal advice navigating that new regulatory regime. ESG activities are now regulated by an increasing amount of EU compliance and reporting requirements. And as our clients increase their own activities across all aspects of ESG, they will find themselves increasingly under the scope of those regulations. And that's an area where we see an increasing amount of work emerging for our firm. The last number of years has brought huge disruption to our society and economies, from COVID, the war in Europe, and increasing conflict now in the Middle East. And one thing we have learned from all of this is not to make predictions. Shocks, and indeed opportunities, can come from the most unlikely sources. The only way to manage the outcome from those shocks is to stay focused on giving excellent legal service to our clients and to fostering an environment where the most talented young lawyers will want to come and develop their legal careers with us.